Barbara, I'm going to quickly show you how to use your portal. This is what you should get when you open up the listings that I sent you. If you see one you really like, you can click over here and make it a favorite so we know it's one of your favorites. And we can refer to it later like the one we saw earlier today. And if you want to see a listing in more detail, you click on the address, and that's going to open up this view of the house, okay, which you're probably familiar with. You've probably seen this much so far, but here's what I think you're not seeing. You go over here to map, and the map is probably going to show up like this, okay. What you want to do is go up here to where it says map and change it to satellite view. This is going to give you a lot more of what you were trying to see earlier. What's the neighborhood look like? What's the houses look like? And you can even get down to street level view, grab this guy right here, put him right on the street, and say, okay, now I can see the whole street. And you can move up and down the street using this tool, see what your neighbors' homes are looking like in the yards and all that crap. So hopefully this helps you get more use out of that. Got any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you.